What's up, guys? So I'm a real estate agent, right? And one of my clients asked me something really interesting. He was this 20-year-old kid. He was in college, and he was asking me, how do I start as a real estate agent? What's the easiest way to get started, right? I had an interesting answer for him that kind of blew his mind, okay? I told him that the best way to actually get started is to focus on helping people, rent an everyday apartment, all right? Because it's so easy to help people rent an apartment, if they're truly in need of an apartment. And so the trick is to do that, right? Don't charge them anything, just help them rent an apartment for free, and then get payment from the building that you refer your clients to. So that's the whole business model here, right? It's super simple. You're helping people rent an apartment in a really convenient way, okay? You're earning a lot of real estate commission because typically people sign a 12-month lease contract, and you're paid a month out of those 12 months for referring the client over, okay? So as you can imagine, rent is $1,000 or $2,000, but the trick is you can do this several times every single month, okay? So that's what I recommended to my client, right? I was actually helping this client, this 20-year-old kid, rent an apartment, and he thought I was just doing this just out of kindness, right? Like he knew I was a real estate agent. He reached out, and then he ended up needing to rent an apartment, so he thought I was doing him a favor just by helping him find an apartment. But technically I was, because it's a free service. But what he didn't realize is how much money I was making just by referring him over, right, for free. And so when I explained to him that this is what I was doing, I was helping him find an apartment, but I was receiving payment for the apartment complex. It totally blew his mind. He was like, dude, I didn't even know that you could do that as a job, like as a full-time gig, like actually referring people to apartments the same way you're helping me right now. So I just wanted to let everyone else know about this awesome industry. It's been working really great for me for the last 6 years, and it's just a fantastic way to build a really quick clientele, so that way later, if you want to become their realtor, it's so much easier to represent them or help them buy a home, help them sell their house, because they already know you, because you've built a relationship with them from the start, helping them rent an apartment. If you want to learn more about what the heck I'm talking about, please click the button below. And I'd love to give you sort of like an overview on exactly what this business model is, how to get started, 3 secrets that have completely killed the game for me within this business model. And I'd love to share that with you right now, right? So if you click the button below, I hope to chat with you some more. Thank you so much.